Hi students, Olevels Online presents the video lecture series for adjustments of financial statements. In this video, we will discuss the exam tips for depreciation part 6. This video series is helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O-Level upcoming exams, either in June or November, through CAIE or IGCSE or IGCSE, 9-1, for accounting 7707, or 0452 or 0985. Let's begin the exam tips material. The first tip state that why provision is needed. It is used to collect all depreciation during the whole life of the fixed asset. Secondly, it is collecting not credited depreciation in the asset account. Finally, every year depreciation transfer in it. Let's move to the next tip. The second tip belongs to the recording entries for provision for depreciation. First entry for the creation of provision for depreciation, that is, profit and loss account debit and provision for depreciation account credit. Secondly, when provision increases, the same entry repeated at the time of creation, that is profit and loss account debit and provision for depreciation account credit with the increased amount of it. Finally, when provision deceases, the entry would be provision for depreciation account debit and profit and loss account credit with the decreased amount of it. This is the most important aspect for provision for depreciation account, you have to learn and understand for the examination point of view. Let's move to the next tip. The third tip for the T account postings for the provision for depreciation. First, we will create the provision for depreciation on the credit side and close with the CD balance. The CD balance should be transfer on the next year. Secondly, we'll record increase of provision for depreciation on the credit side too. This should be balanced again with the CD balance and should transfer on the next year also. Thirdly, we will record provision for depreciation decreased value on the debit side and should balance with the CD value too and transfer to the next year too as per previous practice. This understanding is also important for you regarding exam and practice problem handling. Let's move to the next tip. The fourth tip for the profit and loss treatment of provision for depreciation account. Its decreased value should reflect under other income portion and its increased value should record under the expense portion of the profit and loss account. Examiner normally ask for this treatment during theory paper in the exam. Let's move to the next tip. The final tip for the balance sheet treatment of provision for depreciation account. The accumulated value of the provision of depreciation account should be detected from the plant and machinery account. Examiner normally ask for this treatment during theory paper in the exam. Hopefully you got the clear understanding for the provision for depreciation need, journal entries, T account postings and profit and loss and balance sheet treatment as per examination point of view. If you have any questions regarding it, kindly ask in the comment section of this video. You can download the related formats and lesson material through the link provided below. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it. And please subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.